Hi everyone, Kian here. Today I'll show you how to horizontally make the list of OutSystem because by default this is displayed vertically. So let's take this one as an example. So this is the default OutSystem list which is displayed vertically. Now in order for us to make this horizontally, we will do some CSS tricks. So I have here another screen. Then I'll show you what I did. Obviously, every list in our system has this CSS class, which is the parent of the list. If you inspect the elements, you'll see this particular um, parent of that component, parent div of that component. Yeah. Now, so what I did, I override that. I told it to be displayed in flex, then have it a flex rough. Then I told the list item to be in two columns, 50%. Okay, so I'll show you what it will look like. There you go. Now it is being displayed horizontally and in two columns. Now let's say uh, you can um, test this depending on your requirements. So let's say you want it to be in three columns, so you can just modify this one like that. So now it's in three columns. All right. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.